Welcome to Board Game Publisher. Welcome, I am Eric from Flatline Games. I've been publishing board games since 2010. When I started publishing board games, it was quickly evident to me that there was a lot to learn. But there is no school about board game publishing. There are no books about board game publishing. Actually, you can find a lot of books about board game design. Yes, you can find some information about board game publishing on the internet, interviews from board game publisher. You can discuss with board game publisher during conventions and fairs, and they will happily share information with you. But overall, there is no formal way to learn about board game publishing. Board game publishing appears to be something that you have pretty much to learn on the job. The problem is, of course, that as you learn, you will make mistakes, and these will be very costly mistakes. I have been publishing board games for a while now, so I'm in a position to start sharing what I learned so far and hopefully help you avoid making mistakes when you want to start your own board game publishing company. I don't pretend to know everything about board game publishing, and I don't pretend that the way I publish board game is the only way. That's for sure something that is very personal, and every board game publisher has their own way to publish board games. But if you are interested in starting a board game publishing company, or if you are interested about what happens behind the scenes in the board game industry, hopefully the information I will provide on this YouTube channel will be of interest to you. I have written a book about board game publishing. The book is not yet available, but it will be soon. We are currently proofreading it with Jeff Tidball from Atlas Game, who also happens to be a professional proofreader. So that is a very good situation because he brings in his knowledge about proofreading and making a manuscript into a book. And as well, he is a very successful board game publisher with Atlas Games. So it's really the best of both worlds for this. I'm looking forward to this book, and I hope you will too.